Sikkim SKM, Sikkim, Nepali pronunciation, Sikkim is a state in northeastern India. It borders the Tibet Autonomous Region of China in the north and northeast, Bhutan in the east, Koshi province of Nepal in the west, and West Bengal in the south. Sikkim is also close to the Siliguri corridor, which borders Bangladesh. Sikkim is the least populous and second smallest among the Indian states. Situated in the eastern Himalaya, Sikkim is notable for its biodiversity, including alpine and subtropical climates, as well as being a host to Kangchenjunga, the highest peak in India and third highest on Earth. Sikkim's capital and largest city is Gangtok. Almost 35% of the state is covered by Kangchenjunga National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Kingdom of Sikkim was founded by the Namgyal dynasty in the 17th century. It was ruled by Buddhist priest kings known as the Chogyal. It became a princely state of the British Indian Empire in 1890. Following Indian independence, Sikkim continued its protectorate status with the Union of India after 1947 and the Republic of India after 1950. It enjoyed the highest literacy rate and per capita income among Himalayan states. In 1973, anti-royalist riots took place in front of the Chogyal's palace. In 1975, after the Indian Army took over the city of Gangtok, a referendum was held that led to the dissolution of the monarchy and Sikkim joining India as its 22nd state. Modern Sikkim is a multi-ethnic and multilingual Indian state. The official languages of the state are English, Nepali, Bhutia, and Lepcha. Additional official languages include Gurung, Limbu, Magar, Mukhya, Nawari, Rai, Sherpa and Tamang. For the purpose of preservation of culture and tradition in the state, English is taught in schools and used in government documents. The predominant religion is Hinduism, with a significant Vajrayan Buddhism minority. Sikkim's economy is largely dependent on agriculture and tourism. As of 2019, the state had the fifth smallest GDP among Indian states, although it is also among the fastest growing. The name Sikkim is believed to be a combination of the Limbu words su, new, and Kayam, palace, or house. The Tibetan name for Sikkim is Drenjong, Wylie transliteration, Braz Elyongs, which means Valley of Rice, while the Bhutias call it Beul Dimazong, which means the hidden valley of rice, according to folklore, after establishing Rabdansar as his new capital. Bhutia king Tenzing Namgyal built a palace and asked his Limbu queen to name it. The Lepcha people, the original inhabitants of Sikkim, called it Naimael, meaning paradise. In historical Indian literature, Sikkim is known as Indrakil, the garden of the war god Indra. The Lepchas are considered to be the earliest inhabitants of Sikkim. However, the Limbus and the Magars also lived in the inaccessible parts of west and south districts as early as the Lepchas perhaps lived in the east and north districts. The Buddhist saint Padmasambhava, also known as Guru Rinpoche, is said to have passed through the land in the 8th century. The Guru is reported to have blessed the land, introduced Buddhism, and foretold the era of monarchy that would arrive in Sikkim centuries later.